we are in a country that we don't know, it is most likely that at some point during our trip, and if we haven't a map, we can lose ourselves. So it's important to know how to ask for direction in English, so you can get to your destination faster than trying to understand a map.
First of all, you must know a little basic vocabulary to be able to ask for direction. Understand them and give them. Some words you should know.
To ask for direction, the first thing to keep in mind is the manners. Remember that many times they will be unknown who can help you, and if you want to receive a kind explanation, start a communication with a greeting is almost mandatory. You can use phrases like excuse me, hello, good morning, good afternoon, good night.
Now that you have called someone's attention, it is time to ask for help to reach your destination. These phrases can help you.